Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 3 ingredients to make this drink, and the first ingredient is cumin seeds. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds to a mortar and pestle. Then add half teaspoon of fennel seeds, and finally add half teaspoon of parsley. Grind it well. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It is very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Parsley is rich in vitamin K that helps to clot the blood and contribute in bone health. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants which help to reduce the risk of health conditions like diabetes, stroke, heart disease and cancer. Add the ground powder to a mug like this. Then to this add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. It's been 5 minutes, so let's open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to a mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. You can consume this drink as such or also you can add honey to it. It's totally optional. Give it a good mix and a fat melted drink is ready to consume. Drink it with a straw to avoid sensitivity and tooth enamel issues. Very simple to make and very effective. Have this drink first thing in the morning in empty stomach and be on a balanced diet throughout the day and you will observe a reduction in body weight in just few days. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat melted drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.